Shots fired. West 161 at Summit, West 161 at Summit Avenue. 61 at Summit, over the cross bridge, Central. Plainclothes units on scene, plainclothes units on scene. Call out to me, buddy.
You good? You good?
Units at West 161 and Summit. West 161 and Summit Avenue, please.
He's on his bridge?
I have FIO at the location. State the shots fired.
He's over there. I see him over there. All the way over there. He's across the other side.
Units responding to shots fired.
Watch out, watch out.
Please utilize cover and maintain firearms control.
He's on the other side of the bridge. On the Deegan.
Through the end. 301 FIO Central, be advised I have a partner.
Where?
On the west.
PD where?
PD where? Sidewalk.
That's PD across the bridge?
The right location. Trail, male wearing brown jacket. All black. Male wearing a brown jacket. Sounds like.
This way, tall black, brown trench coat. There was a shot that came, I shot back.
He shot at you?
There was a noise, he looked back, he shot something.
Really?
Where is he?
He's in the bushes. Somewhere in the bushes.
Have to clear the air, please. FIO, West 161 Summit. Herb might be armed. 10-4. On that walkway.
Yeah, but you could go make a right too.
Nah, he didn't make a right. He did not make a right.
You did not? Alright. Yeah, slow down, Chief.
Over here. Central, use thermal.
Need aviation, man.
FIO.
Keys, slow down, Keys.
FIO. Have aviation respond to my location. Scan the brush in my area.
Alright, so there's a fence over here.
Okay, aviation 18. We're 84. What's the address? Summit Avenue. Over across the bridge. Summit Avenue. Over FIO Central, be advised. On the other side of the Major Deegan 161 at Summit. In the brush between the highway.
There's a car coming.
West side of the 161 bridge. Public safety central. West side of the bridge. FIO, we need description.
The west side of the bridge.
Pale black, brown tan coat.
Where?
Yeah, where you at? Boss, I'm on the cross bridge. On the path on the side of the bridge. Oh.
Check the train tracks. Yeah, he might have jumped over then. If they came from there and they didn't see him, he maybe jumped.
Central, be advised. Have aviation scan the railroad track. Aviation red, railroad tracks. Aviation red.
Is there a fence up there too?
Scanning the railroad tracks.
Could have gone up there, right? I think there's a fence for it.
They cross this back. OFIS, yeah. Find the last known location. Let's fix one at Summit, crossing over the bridge, crossing over the highway. See if they went over the bridge into Manhattan. Negative. 109 to read it over, K. You want Manhattan to read it over? As in the front, we're coming off the other way.
What?
Plainclothes squad. You see us?
10-5 that?
It's a plainclothes squad. Off the Macomb Dam Bridge. We're in the brush also. I'm flashing my flashlight at you guys. You see us? 4, we see you. There's an open gate down here. Side of both sides. Lieutenant, where's the 3-0 FIO right now?
All units be advised there's plainclothes officers in the area.
FIO, I am on the ramp on the bridge 161 at Summit.
Yeah, he's got to be hiding, bro. He's got to be hiding. I think he definitely hopped that shit.
He had the slaughter. Got the whole thing in there.
Yeah, I know.
Bronx duty, Captain. Bronx, OFIS on the air.
Shit scares me when
On the air.
I ride on these over.
I'm still 161 at Summit with one perp.
Yeah, he had one right by that little park.
Which unit has a perp?
Captain.
Nah,
Bronx duty, Captain, proceed.
we ran up, we saw him, we're like, we're good. He's like, yeah, keep going, I got him in custody. Yeah, I think 4-2 had one too. 166 in Prospect. Me too, I was like, where are we?
Bronx
Like,
duty, Captain.
The bull had one, the 405
What is
FIO.
in regards to the perp search? Level 1.
I'm telling you, he went over that shit. He's in the railroads. He's hiding so
Bronx
much.
duty, Captain. Bronx duty,
It
Captain.
is a hard gate to climb because you can't put your
Either
foot
level
in.
1 for the perp search, correct?
10-4. Did they say shots fired at FIO?
Yeah, I don't know, man.
Pickup of shots
It's
fired?
like real slippery. He must have like,
FIO.
Do it right here.
Lieutenant.
yeah.
Is it shots
Yeah, we
fired
get low.
by MOS?
If you got a, I don't know.
Injuries at this time. 10-5 that.
You have injuries at the location.
By MOS at this time? Or injuries to any MOS at this time?
I think they fired
I
shots,
just
right?
can't find that description.
We've been all the way down here. These motherfuckers got to be in these woods somewhere.
They have to
They
because
have to be. So let's stay out.
Male trench coat, a gray trench coat with a black scully. Operation Central.
There is an opening over here too. He could have gone to the highway.
Central, can the supervisor
Yeah,
advise
there's an opening.
we have
Yo,
shots fired
who's got a call?
by MOS at this time?
Huh?
Santana came from this way.
Lieutenant
From the
K.
Deegan? Yeah, there's an opening over
4 for Lieutenant. We have shots fired by MOS or at MOS.
At this time, both Central. 10-4 ballistic.
10-4.
Not yet, I think.
30 Chief to Central, Cam.
Yeah, he's got to be in the bushes hiding or something, dude.
Chief Central.
Duty Chief.
What's the address of the location?
West 161 and Summit Avenue. West 161 and
Pass
Summit.
the description on the outstanding.
Yeah, I scan left, I scan right.
Looking for a male black wearing a brown tan coat, possibly armed. Again, this is a male black wearing a brown tan coat, possibly armed.
I think he's
Fourth Sergeant.
Yo, guys, get off the path. Throw this over.
Fourth Sergeant. Want to secure this location for evidence.
Who the fuck is this?
Fourth Sergeant.
Look, there's a path this way.
Sergeant K.
Monroe, West 161 and Summit Avenue. There's an e-scooter here that might be for the perps. One of the cops said. Can I have a cop come here to guard this while I canvas?
I have units responding to you.
I see something over there. Might be a bag.
Duty Chief.
Yo,
Check with SOD, see if they have any
Yo, right
working.
Yo, let me see your hands! Let me see your fucking hands! Let me see your hands. Watch out. Don't approach.
Start fire.
Location. Location, please.
Alright, I got it.
Sorry, man. The second door of the tracks on the other
Hold
side,
on,
on the wrong side.
slow it down. Slow
West
it
side of the
down.
tracks of West 161 and Summit K.
Yeah.